Hello everyone, my name is Dhevesshwaar Punnia. I'm going to be starting off my group's case study 1 presentation. My group members are myself, Dhivesh, Ruel, Adrian, Morong, and Muheshyuveendraa. Our lecturer is technologist Dr. Noor Hanisha binti Yusof. Right, let's start our presentation with question 1. Okay, so for question 1, based on figure 1, explain how the interface can support usability in interactive system design for learnability principles with 2 examples. As you can see on your screens, that is figure 1. So the first example is intuitive design and familiar patterns. Principle of familiarity. Create the login interface using layouts and patterns that people are used to seeing. The login button should be aligned where people expect to see it, with the username and password boxes placed clearly and using standard labeling. For example, adopt a layout where the login button is underneath the vertically aligned username or email and password fields. Additionally, utilize symbols that are widely understood to represent activities such as a key icon for the password field. Users, especially those used to other systems, are able to quickly understand how to interact with the login interface by following the well-known design patterns without need for detailed instructions. So for our second example, clear and concise error messages. Principle of consistency. Ensure that error messages are consistent and give users useful information. In the event that there is a problem with the login information, the error message should make it obvious what went wrong and how to fix it. For example, instead of a general error message like invalid login credentials, like we always see in multiple websites, login pages, give specific information like incorrect password. Please retry after checking your password. When the password is wrong or account not found, when the username or email is incorrect, verify email address please. Alright, for question 2, my friend Muheshyuveendraa will present to you all.
Okay, thank you for Devesh explaining the question 1. Now I'm going to explain the question 2. Based on the figure 2, explain how the interface can support usability in the interactive system design for flexibility principle with 2 examples. Okay, for the first one is customizable quick action. Principle of customizability. Give users the option to create quick action for their most popular orders. User can utilize this tool to simplify their orders procedure, making it quicker and more suited to their taste. Example, the iPhone ordering app can include a feature where user can set up personalized quick action for specific orders. For instance, a user who frequently orders a specified type of coffee or particular sandwich can create a quick action button on their main screen. Tapping this button initiates the order with their pre-selected preference, saving time and effort. This customization ensures the users access their favorite order with just a few taps, enhancing efficiency of their ordering process. Okay, for the second is real-time order tracking. Principle of multi-threading. Implement a dedicated thread for real-time order tracking. Users are still able to engage with the interface as the app simultaneously obtains and update information about the progress of their order in the background. For the example, user can leave the order confirmation screen after making an order in a meal delivery app and explore the app's other features. Another thread is running in the background and consistently updating the order status. Customers are not restricted to a certain monitoring screen and can monitor the status of their order in real time. Users are guaranteed to be able to do addition tasks within app with interruption while being up to date on the status of their orders. to multi-threaded approach. Okay, for the third question is, my friend Ruel will explain.
Thank you, Evan, for explaining about question 2. And now we'll take a look at question 3. In a tech gadget house, your team is assigned to propose interface design for technology gadget such as laptop, personal computer, gaming accessories, and etc. in mobile application. The interfaces must be suitable to be used for people with disabilities. Propose 4 sketch interfaces designed by applying 8 golden rules for below features. Every design must have clear labeling and explanations of 8 golden rules applies. So the 4 interfaces we'll be doing is login, main menu, ordering interface, and payment interface. So let's take a look at our first interface, which is the login page. So this is our sketch for login page. So the sound icon will play a sound to let users know that they are on a login page. And also red, blue, and green are not used as a background color to accommodate color blindness impairments. And also the mic icon allow users to speak into a microphone while instructing the system to change any aspect of the website, such as submitting a login request by saying submit. The system will recognize the user's vocal input and carry out the action of moving on to the next page following the login page. So let's take a look at our second interface page, which is the main menu page. So this is our sketch for the main menus page. So the website page color is consistent with the login page color scheme. So as here we can apply the 8 golden rule, which is consistency. And each page will read aloud the website information as you move on to the next one. And for the previous and the next button symbol, accessibility is made simple for people with impairments using specially adapted keyboards, a multi-purpose mouse, any program that connects by eye contact, or by speaking previous or next into the microphone. And for our third interface, which is the ordering interface, this is our sketch for the ordering interface. And when the user clicks at the cancel button, a sound alerts them that it is cancelled, which can also be interpreted as a cross or false. By speaking a specific phrase out loud or by typing the command mic 1, mic 2, or mic 3, or sound 1, the users can control which part of the microphone is being used. And now for our last interface, which is the payment interface. So the actions on the interface can use sound to do any actions by speaking specific keywords such as submit or cancel. After submitting, the system will display a notice asking the user if they still want to submit. If the user doesn't respond within 5 minutes, the system will automatically decline. So that is all for our presentation in case study 1. Thank you.